Most people don't know what this little black button does on their presser foot. It's called the leveling button. I've just been sewing some denim and I've got some pretty big hefty seams all meeting in one place and I have to cross them. This is where the leveling button comes into practice and I'm going to show you now just as I'm going through it. So we'll have a look at what it does and why it's such a useful little thing to use that most people have with their sewing machine and don't know what it's for. You can see here I've got a big cross junction where all these denim seams are meeting and it's really a big chunky bump there. I'm just coming up to it, so I'll do a couple more stitches. And you see this, see how the foot is taking off, really lifting up. What you do is you lift the presser foot, leave your needle in, and then you press the leveling button in. So you see you lift the foot up, press that in, that little pin has gone into the bar and holds it in place. And that holds the back of the foot up, so it's put it more in an upright position. Do you see it self-release then as well? And I'll just finish up my seam, because I am actually sewing. So it's just helped me get across that really thick part of sewing there. There it is. Neat as a pin. Crossed over that hurdle without a bump. As I've crossed over, it's brought the back of the foot up so I can continue. The other great thing is that it self-releases after a few stitches. So it will just pop back out and go back to normal again. So you don't have to think about it. It's just when you see your foot really rise up like that at the start as you're going over a bump, lift it up, press the leveling button, and it will help you get over that bump. Really great stuff. Most people don't know that that's what that little button is for. I certainly didn't for the longest time sewing. Now I know I want to tell everyone about it so you can go and tell people about it as well. Because it really does help in those situations. What would usually happen there is it would start to crunch and clunk, especially with this is hard denim. And you could end up snapping a thread, snapping a needle, something like that. It just means that everything smooths out because the foot isn't working so hard to come up and down like that. So it's a great little thing to have. Most people have this on their sewing machine. Most people have this little black button and never knew what it was for. Now you know. I'm Alex and I love to sew. If you like to sew, then follow along for more tips just like this.